A private member's bill has been introduced to the House of Lords to tackle the problem of Sharia courts in England and Wales. The bill, introduced by Baroness Cox, aims to deal with the discrimination suffered by women within Sharia systems. It will also deal with Sharia courts that attempt to set themselves up as parallel legal systems dealing with criminal and family law. Lady Cox's bill proposes several measures, including one to explicitly outlaw discriminatory treatment against women within arbitration tribunals. It also creates a new criminal offence of falsely claiming legal jurisdiction on matters that ought to be decided by criminal or family courts. The bill does not attempt to interfere in the internal theological affairs of religious groups, but it does support the principle of equality under the law for all British citizens. Lady Cox says vulnerable women will benefit from greater legal protection.
Many Muslim women are treated unfairly and are suffering under Sharia law, which is inherently incompatible with our cherished British tradition of freedom and equality. As a Member of Parliament, I feel an obligation to do something. My bill will give these women greater equality, more protection and a better chance of justice.
The Christian Institute backs the bill. Spokesman Simon Calvert says we shouldn't take justice for granted.
The rise of Sharia courts in our nation is something that concerns a lot of people. Justice and equality under the law are precious values and we shouldn't take them for granted. This bill is timely and it's welcome.
The bill is supported by the National Secular Society. Executive Director Keith Porteous-Wood says there should be one law for all.
Laws should not impinge on religious freedom, nor should courts judge on theological matters. But by the same token, democratically determined and human rights compliant law must always take precedence over the law of any religion. Yet, religious law can already be enforced under English law through the Arbitration Act, and that is what this bill is seeking to address. Religious arbitration has already been outlawed in 2 Canadian provinces, and under this new bill, the Arbitration Act would not be able to determine family or criminal matters, nor agreements that are discriminatory against women. A nation could be defined by those subject to one law. This bill aims once more to give every citizen equal protection by the same just law, one law for all.